Hi, I'm Dustin Guidroz from Gretna, Louisiana. Why did I decide to attend Drone Command Live? First off, I think it's mostly because I wanted to kind of learn of what it would take to actually be a dronepreneur and actually be able to run my own drone business and potentially even one day work for myself. How would I describe Damon and Diego? One word: intense. Second word: knowledgeable. Two people that have been able to do a lot of different things in their respective fields and are always willing to pass that information on to anybody. So, looking forward to being my own drone boss one of these days. So, some of the valuable lessons I've learned is basically how to market, how to be a market for myself, how to be a market for the things that I can do, how to put myself above and beyond what other people are doing and be able to be that person that everybody wants to go to as the drone expert. So more to do rest of these next 3 days. Thanks, Drone Boss.